All right, guys, this is a quick video just to show you one of the reasons why we created this link booster in Cloudrank. I mean, this is something that happens to people a lot. We get it in the Facebook group a lot. Is you do a live stream video, you upload a YouTube video, and it pops on page one. Then all of a sudden, it totally disappears for no reason. You don't know why it's not there, and it could be gone for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or longer. And then sometimes it appears back and sometimes it doesn't. Well, just to show you an example, is I did a video for chronic venous insufficient treatment Denver, right? So now when I ran this live stream, it appeared on page one, and then I came back a few hours later and it was gone. Now, if I go to the video section, here it is, and it's way above the one that is showing up for the keyword. My keyword is in the title, the full keyword, so it should really be on page one, but it's not. So what am I going to do? Well, I go over here, and this is an event page. We have not streamed the event yet, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to copy this. Right, and we're going to go this link, and we're going to go over to the link booster, and we're going to submit it. Okay, so it's been submitted. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to give it, I don't know, a couple of minutes. It's 10:13 now. Let's give it a couple of minutes and see what happens. All right, guys, it's been 4 or 5 minutes. So let's see how it works. We're going to put the keyword in. Get page one, and there it is. Okay, so it showed up on page one. If we go in incognito even, I'm sure it'll still be there. Let's go there. Let's look. Now, again, this is not some kind of a magic bullet. It may not work all the time, depending on the circumstance. But what we see happening a lot with these videos is for some reason they get de-indexed and then they get re-indexed. So what will happen is it'll pop off of page one. It won't be anywhere on the Google search, but it will show up in the video section sometimes. Sometimes it'll show up in the video section with no thumbnail, and that's because it's not indexed. Like if we go to video section right now, it's showing up here, but there may be times where you'll see the video, if it's not indexed correctly, this thumbnail won't be here in the video section. It'll just be the title and the description. And then you run it through the link booster, then the thumbnail appears and everything else. If you are using a really hard keyword and it's not ranking, then this is not going to make it rank. All this is going to do is make sure that your video is properly indexed. And again, if it popped off of page one, 90% chance you use this link booster and it's going to put it back on to page one.